lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joy.
Hi, my name's Amelia.
And my name's Bridie. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you how to wrap your Christmas presents like Pinterest.
Make them aesthetically pleasing and presentable. So when you're choosing to wrap your presents, you want to choose the right kind of style first. Whether it's very simple and modern or it's very extravagant and glittery and bright. It's all up to you and what your style is.
Good old Santa Claus down through the chimney.
Choose your wrapping paper. So for example, today we've gone with a brown paper. That works well with most decoration. It's very simple. It looks good under the Christmas tree. It highlights the Christmas tree.
Down through the chimney with good scent.
And another reason why I really like this simple brown paper is you can customize it to be your own. For example, you can write some little sayings like Noel, joy, anything like that, or you can add stamps, and that's what we're going to be showing you today, how to create your own stamps using a potato. A potato.
For this project you will need a knife, half a potato and a pen. Using your marker, draw a star on the potato and go over it a few times because it tends to not draw on very well, but we found that the marker is the best thing to use. Then using the knife, be very careful and slowly cut into the star shape that you've drawn on the potato. Make sure you cut at least 1 centimeter down into the potato. This will allow you to have a bit of an edge on the stamp and you won't make so many smudges when you're stamping with the paint. Then slowly cut into the sides of the potato and get all the excess potato that you don't need, and making sure that you don't cut into the star shape itself. Now just get your brown paper, your white paint, a little sponge and your potato stamp. Just dab on some paint on the sponge and making sure that it's not too much paint because you don't want to smudge anything like I did a little bit there. And just sporadically place your stars wherever you think they need to be, and then you can add your little star as well and it'll create a beautiful little print on your plain brown paper.
If you'd like to know just how to make your presents exactly like Pinterest, keep watching!
Now grab your box that's pre-wrapped, some lace and a pine cone, and then grab a sprig of some sort of greenery. We've got a pine needle and some bells, a little tag and a circle of cardboard. And don't forget your glue. Grab your greenery and your bells and your little piece of cardboard. Now tie your bells together. We've just got 2 tied, and then you can wrap it around the sprig of greenery and tie it at the back. Make sure you double knot it so it's nice and firm. Grab your scissors and snip off the excess string. Put some glue on the back of the cardboard and press down your little sprig of greenery and bells. Let it dry a little bit and then add some glue to the back of your pine cone. You can use craft glue or even a glue gun. I'd probably suggest a glue gun as it would dry faster and be a bit more firm. Once your topper is done, halve your ribbon and find the center and then place it on your present. Twist it at the back. Make sure your twist is off center and pull tight. Turn your present the right way up and bring your ribbons to the top, making a little bit of a knot just off center with your other bow. Make sure you pull tight and just fiddle around with it until you're happy with how the knot looks. Grab your topper and just place on your present. Figure out where it sits best. I had to fiddle around a little bit until I found the right spot and glue the back of the cardboard. making sure there's not too much glue that it spreads all over your present. Place the topper with the glue on the back on your present in the right spot. Press down securely and make sure it's nice and firm on the wrapping paper. This is a great idea because then the person you are giving the gift to gets to reuse the topper next year. Now the final touch, grab your tag and tie it to the bow. Now for our next present, grab your little tag. This is like an ornament you can use as well as a tag. And we have a little sprig of greenery, some wire berries from the craft store, some candy cane strap string and your black ribbon. And don't forget your glue. Grab your black ribbon and place it on the top of your present vertically. Then turn the present around and twist in the center of the gift. Hold down with your finger and make sure the ribbon is tied. Then you can grab some tape and tape down the ribbon in the center. Turn the gift around and using the candy cane string, place on the top of the black ribbon. Make sure it's quite tight and flip over to the back side again. Tie the candy cane string in a tight knot in the center of the black ribbon. Now remove the tape that's holding down the black bow. Just make sure that the bow does not come apart whilst you do that and pull tight again. Turn the present back to the front and tie a simple knot on top and cut on an angle. Now grab your little berries and your sprig of greenery. Twist the berries together with the greenery so then it creates a nice little posy. Now get your tag and put the string underneath the center of the ribbon. And get some tape and just secure it underneath so you can't see the tape. Grab your scissors and chop off any excess string, or you could hide it under the ribbon as well, it's really up to you. And there you have it, a simple way to make a Pinterest present. For our last present, you'll need a wide piece of hessian ribbon, a long piece of string, and our ornaments that we made in our previous video, link below. And of course our potato stamp wrapping paper, which we have wrapped up this present already. Now grab your long piece of string, fold your string in half to find the center, and then place on the top of the present. Flip the present around and twist the string in the center. Flip the present back to the top, and then twist again at the top with the string. Make sure you pull tight and then flip it back to the bottom of the gift and then twist again, bringing the string to the top. And just tie a nice knot in the center of your gift. And using the scissors, just cut off the excess string. Grab your hessian ribbon and place it under the center of the string. And then continue to tie a really nice, neat bow. You may just need to have a fiddle with the bow just to keep it in place. Now grab some tape and tape down the ornaments that we made in the previous video underneath the bow.
We really hope you got a lot of inspiration and ideas on how to wrap your Christmas presents this year.
I wish you all a Merry Christmas and we hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the new year. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button.
We'll see you next time. Goodbye!
Alright?
That was good.
Alright. Can you do your thing again?
Why?
Because I can't remember what you said.
Christmas presents like interesting. Okay.
Thank you for supporting our channel and watching us on No, Let's Start Again. You took my spot.
I didn't know how to end it, but now you can end it properly.
And you better start rapping.
Yay! The fun part! If you'd like to know how to do that, keep watching.
Gotta keep watching, you're not allowed to leave. Stay put and don't forget to like and subscribe. Aggressive. Or else.
Stop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with hoods and
Oh, you got a little bit there. Yeah. Aesthetically pleasing.
Presentable.
Like Pinterest. You got both of them. Yeah, other one. Yeah. Oh wait, this here. Yep.
And go.
Action.
And look at the camera.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's my turn.
Yeah.
Okay.